This isn't just sauce. This is pure caramel luxury. Glossy, rich, buttery, and addictive. The finishing touch that makes sticky toffee pudding unforgettable. 200 grams butter and 120 grams brown sugar. Bring it to the heat and let everything slowly melt and caramelize into a deep golden mixture. Next, 250 grams of heavy cream and stir gently until silky smooth and beautifully combined. Now add 3 grams vanilla powder, 20 grams molasses, and 3 grams salt. Let it simmer gently until the sauce becomes smooth and medium thick. Cool slightly, then transfer into a jar for storage. This sauce keeps perfectly in the chiller for days. For the plating, bring back the frozen sticky toffee pudding and microwave until soft and warm. Roll it generously in the caramel sauce. Plate it beautifully, then top with ice cream, vanilla twirl, edible flour, and extra sauce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Till we meet in the next one. Bon appetit.